everyone, and welcome to another video by Fitness Technology Services. So today's video is another service call video I'm sending you out on with me, but it's really an assemble. So this is a smart treadmill with manual incline, all right, and it's made by Sunny Health and Fitness. So first thing I got to do is take it out of the box. So hang on for 1 second. I'll walk you through that process too. All right, so the first step, and least important, I got to cut all the straps. So I just simply cut all the straps. It's not part of the video. Just going to lift the box up. This way you have everything all kind of right in order. Take this, put this up here. Like so, and that way I can clean everything as I go along here. I'm not blocking your way too much, huh? What was he saying?
No, he said that when you're done, we can push it inside.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah.
Close to the wall.
Everybody's going to want it facing that way up as far as you can. But it's going to pretty much be this big. I mean, it's the same size as the box. See, this way I can put the styrofoam in here. All right, so I'm not going to bore you with completely taking all the stuff out. That's just the next step. I just want you to see all the stuff inside. So hold on for 1 second. Okay, here's the next stage of the video. The stuff's been out. I haven't removed this yet because I'm going to wait until I fold it up. But I just basically cleared all the plastic stuff off. I just didn't want to bore you with that. So now I'm going to remove this lower box. And then we're going to get started. All right, so I'll see you in 1 sec. Okay, box is removed. These are the items that we're going to start assembling. When I took it out of the box, I did notice it says remove this safety block. So I'm going to show you what that is. But there's the manual. There's the tools. Not really too many. 4 bolts. So this must be the snap-up kind. Comes with its own lube and a little thank you card. So here's the thing that's kind of different. This is what they call the safety block. Just basically a little piece of metal down here so you can't fold it up. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is remove that. All right, so let's get started with the assembly. That's called a safety block. Okay, block's been removed. Next step is really going to be assembly. So I kind of like this configuration. It looks pretty easy to assemble. It looks 80% of it's pre-assembled. It was a lot of work getting all that plastic off of it though, so that's half the job. So, we're going to open up this little package kit right here. All the screws look the same size. All of them have washers, so this should be a fairly straightforward assembly for you guys, all right? So this is a Sunny Treadmill. It says SF-T722901. I can't believe it doesn't have a more friendly, cutie little nickname like Sunny D or Sunny 1 or something like that. But, let me get out your way. So this was actually just folded down, and I'm just pushing it straight up. So I'm just going to take one of the screws and a washer. So it looks like it gets a total of 3 on each side.
Yeah, did not get anywhere.
All right, so I'm just going to repeat that process. It's just, I didn't even look it up what size it is because it's so self-explanatory. It's just 8 of these. I'm going to put you on hold for a minute. I'm just going to put them on. There's really nothing to see on that. I'll get back to you when I do the console. So hang on a second. All right, just a quick little recap. There is 4 on this side, the left side upright, and there is also 4 on this side. The 4th one is on the back, but again, it's so simple. I can't imagine no one will not figure it out, especially not you guys, all right? So I'm down to just really mounting this in place. I got to take the cover off. Then underneath here is going to be a screw to actually hold the console in place. So that's a pretty inventive little idea, really. So let me get a little further on. Let me remove all this plastic and styrofoam, and then we'll turn this on and see how it works. Okay, quick little recap. Put the side bolts in. There was one little bolt back there. I didn't show that to you because it's the same thing as the other bolt. It has these little covers. So I'm going to put these little covers on. They don't do anything, but they're in the box, so what the heck. So a little more to that than meets the eye. So what you got to do on that is lift it up slightly. And then it just clips on here. Huh. More work than a little cat than there someone in the treadmill. Let's see now. Okay, that was more work than the whole machine. But anyway, it's got one for the other side. I'll pop that in later. It just kind of presses right in. So we need a safety key. It should be here somewhere. Hold on while I find that. All right, now for the final phase. We got to see if it works. Found the safety key. It was right in front of my face. I will say for a smaller basic machine, it was pretty easy to assemble. I like the idea of the uprights just folding up. This just folded back, and it's got the 2 screws in the back. So let's see if it works. Put the safety key in. Press start. Get my machine out the way. I would say that's a good to go. Let's see if this speeds up. Yeah. All right, so we're going 2 miles an hour. I'm going to hit stop. And that's it. That's it for assembling a Sunny treadmill. Look forward to doing another video with you shortly. Thanks a lot.